Hey folks, Craig here at Kelly Tractor in Longview. Today we're going to talk to you about servicing your implements and why that's so important in helping you work smarter, not harder. This particular tiller here, you've got a grease zerd here on the front and another one back here on the back. On this particular tiller, this is a gear drive tiller. What we have here, we have an oil bath here on the side. And on these tillers here, you can either have a chain drive or a gear drive. This one is a gear drive, but what it is, there's a bolt right down here on the side that you can take out, and that will tell you whether there's oil in it, plenty of oil, or not enough, and you need to add some. What that does, that keeps the chain or the gears lubricated as the tiller is working. Now, as we move back across to the other side, there's a spindle here that's where you put your grease in for your bearing that's going to be running your tiller with the tines on it. As we come to the back of the cutter here, of course, we have our gearbox. This particular gearbox here, when you take the vent plug out of the top to check for your oil, that's also where you're going to fill it. We hope you found these tips helpful, and remember, work smarter, not harder.